Yan, okay. For our second game, it's what we call SOS. Okay, ma'am, kayo, ma'am. Okay, SOS for the mechanics. Makinig po. Ipapasa niyo lang po pailalim yung balon. Sir, pasa niyo pailalim. Yan. Okay, and then after that, pasa naman paunahan. Okay, pasa po unahan, and then pag nasa unahan na po, ilalagay niyo in between your leg and then tatakbo doon sa may silya. And using your butt, you will pour SOS. Okay, S. Yan, O. S. Okay, and then after that, tatakbo dito sa unahan and then you will pass to the next player. Papagano'n po ulit. Pailalim and then paunahan until matapos. Okay? So, ready? Players, ready!